Hey everybody, Dan here. It's the weekend. Happy Friday the 13th. I don't get to say that very often. So today I want to look at FIGS. Okay, this is this is the medical attire, shall we say. When you're getting operated on, and that's happened to me. I literally can't remember the number of times. People say, how many knee surgeries have you had? And I'll sit there and go, I really can't remember, and they think I'm joking, but I'm not. Anyway, so what you see when you go to the website is this kind of stuff. Okay, well this looks pretty cool. I mean, not the IV over there, but the point is they're making really really cool stuff to where I almost feel like I want to get some. Probably won't though, but I might. The point is, this is really cool stuff. They're kind of I went into the dentist the other day. This is too much information. They were all wearing this stuff. Every place I go, medically wise, and I'm 63, so it's a fairly common thing. Everybody's wearing these damn FIGS. So you see what happened when the company, when the stock was released. This thing ran up almost, 75%, right? So it's pulled back a higher low. This is a big monster move here, and you can see the volume picking up here. This is awesome volume here. We don't have earnings now. They just were reported. Stock gap down. Now it's up here. I think you could literally be buying FIGS right here. Buy it here and then look for a move up to 50 bucks. May not seem like much, but that's over 10%, probably about 12% from where you're buying it here. And then from there you watch it closely, and if this thing blasts through 50, hey, you may need to get out the paddles. Clear, just to jumpstart your heart because you're making so much money. So, okay, that's about as medical as I can make this thing. I think this works. True, disclosure, I don't own any of this, but I will Monday morning. And I hope to see you there. By the way, if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, now's a great time to join. Check that out. 7-day trial. You're going to make money. Promise you.